Today I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on a Dell Inspiron. So first, what you have to do is take the battery out. Easy. Make sure it's not connected. And then next, you just have to take the front panel off. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is pull, stick your fingers in there, just tug it off. It'll come off. Pretty easy. And then make sure you snap it down, push the screen back, and then lift it off. Then move it somewhere else. And then next, what you have to do is unscrew these 4 screws to the screen, like so. Start the bottom corner. Then I always go crosshatch, so next I'll go to the top corner, put those screws in a safe place, and get the top screw, unscrew it. Make sure you don't lose them. And then go down below that top corner one. Get that one. Now at this point, make sure the screen doesn't fall off. If you have it tilted back, it shouldn't. Then you get the last one. Just like that. And after that, all you have to do, tilt it forward and let the screen fall into your hand. Be gentle. If this one isn't broken yet and maybe you're just replacing it, you want to keep it for something else. And then next you just have to take off this little tape here and then disconnect the little connector. It has a little hinge. You just flip that up and then you should be able to pull it out. And then put the old screen somewhere. And grab your new screen, just like this. Set it down on the keyboard. Be very careful. And then stick the new connector in to the slot. Put the tape down. Make sure the little lever is snapped down. And then tilt that back all the way. Put the screen back on. Just like this. Should slide into place, assuming it's the right size. And then make sure your cables are tucked away, or else the front won't snap back on. And then just go backwards from the way you're taking the screws out. Go backwards and put them in. So get the top one. Then come down to the bottom left. Get that one next. Tighten that one. Just make it barely tight. You don't want to over tighten it. Get the top left. Alright. And then the bottom right will be your final screw. Uh-oh, lost that. And then all you have to do is grab the front panel again, take it, stick it in the slots where the hinge is for the laptop, and then work your way up the sides, snapping it in as you go. It should go pretty easily. Just give it a little bit of a push. And then work your way up the right side. It'll snap in, just like that. Then work your way across the top, pushing it in. Make sure you wipe off the camera when you're done. And then move your way along the bottom, pushing it in. And then just like that, you're done. It's pretty easy.